various skills that the cruise lines require. And we are ready to do that with you. We are seeing that we could move into greater heights as we continue on this path towards improving and touching lives. As what our President ordered us, we must be able to generate more lives for the country. And with you on board, the call is here, and we are ready to take that challenge. Today we thank you all to bear as witnesses in this partnership that we hope will span aeons as we expand our horizons and conquer the challenges of today's modern times. I think we have one recruit here that was already chosen by UPL and CCL to join the first vessel, and I would love to hear what she has to say about the preparation that he has undergone. She has undergone. Once again, I welcome you all and hope that you will be with us in every step of the way. I remain. Thank you so much.
Of its vessels and back, this shall be monitored. Now for the photo op, may we ask for the presence of Captain Richard Burley on stage.
Perfect. Okay, one more. Okay, perfect. Perfect.
Dagdagan lang po, paki-highlights lang po na gaano po kataas ang standard ng seafarers na kailangan dito sa itong carnival.
Ano require nila?
Oo. Yeah. Ang kasi this is a very ang requirement ng passenger vessel is although mataas na yung sa cargo vessel, this one is they have a higher actually standard because ang kanilang passenger ay mismong human. And yung kanilang requirements on training ay more specific at saka more stringent. Although we have already merchant marine vessels na mga stringent training, ito more stringent at different ang kanilang approach sa training. They have specific safety training for passengers. They have crowd control training, and the most important is leadership discipline of the officers na at any given time or at any stressful situation I can cope up.
At masayahin daw po ang
And that's we are doing that
Kaya
in the
gusto nila.
PMMA. So it's a challenge for us to provide them with what they need.
So nag-increase ba yung recruit nyo ngayon? Since na ito po, after pandemic ngayon, medyo hirap tayong mag-training at saka mag-recruit. Pero ngayon, kumusta po yung bago pumapasok sa PMMA?
As you know, even during pandemic, we did not stop operation. We continued our in-house cadets and our faculties and staff. We stayed on.
Sir, ano po ang nakita niyo kagandahan itong inyong MOA signing dito? And paano magbe-benefit po rito yung inyong mga graduates sa PMMA?
Thank you, Gani. Magandang opportunity dito maliban sa PMMA. But two other sources of graduates ng maritime natin because this is I think the first time na ang Carnival Cruise Line ay kukuha ng kadete para maging official ng barko. So nakita natin kanina yung first na kadete nila na kinuha sa PMMA na magsasign na this coming November. This is a sign na start na yung kanilang opening for Filipino officers. Kasi traditionally, ang Carnival Corporation ay either European or OECD officers yung kanilang kinukuha. Karamihan sa kanila mga Italian. This time, they with the partnership signed ay mo-open sa Pilipinos. This is the first time na ginawa nila. So you can just imagine how many officers, the passenger vessel has. At saka hindi lang yun, yung mga related fields na personnel on board passenger na around 3,000 yan sa isang passenger vessel. So if we can take advantage of that with this partnership, ang usapan namin not only cadetship program for officers but also other personnel na kailangan nila.
Sir, tama ba yun? Kauna-unahan ka the
Yes, that's
first
right.
recruit sila doon.
That's right.
Okay. And then, ilan pa po yung kukunin ng Carnival?
Marami pa kasi ongoing. You can just imagine yung Carnival cruise is only one part of Carnival Corporation. They have 10 brands of cruise liner around the world. So that is one. And they have also another. In fact, nung bumisita sila sa PMMA, they immediately get that one na kinuha nila and na-process na to join their vessel. So, but as I said, hindi lang yung officers. In fact, this coming Tuesday, meron uling usapan para naman sa welding certification ng kanilang mga requirements sa kanilang personnel, which PMMA is open to discuss with them. So, maliban dyan, yung mga equipment ay ma-improve as well as the training program. Definitely, this will have a huge impact sa ating cadetship program at saka sa job generation. We are very excited about it. Our president, PBBM, has ordered in his persona na magkaroon tayo ng more job generation para sa palakas pa natin ang ating secretary. And that is the reason why Secretary Bautista and Undersecretary Sarmiento were present during the MOA signing. A sign na ang administration ay talagang full support sa maritime. And we take it really seriously na yung aming ibibigay na education and training is above doon sa requirement ng minimum, but also catering doon sa mismong clients.
Ng PMMA. Commodore, saan pong branch ng government and private sila napupunta?
Normally, ang PMMA from cadet period, the Philippine Navy and Philippine Coast Guard are recruiting them early on sa first year pa lang. And then around 15% of them are going to government service. And another 80, we are looking forward doon sa aming Cagayan de Oro campus, which we can also provide job opportunities sa ating. This is an exciting part, and the PMMA, as we work on with our digitalization, so the education and training is unlimited, which itong ating partner ngayon ay they are looking at it as a good opportunity for increasing the and we are already discussing about making it
Ng
a
PMMA,
hub for Asia.
saan pong branch ng government and private sila napupunta?
Normally, ang PMMA from cadet period, the Philippine Navy and Philippine Coast Guard are recruiting them early on sa first year pa lang. And then around 15% of them are going to government service. And another 80, we are looking forward doon sa aming Cagayan de Oro campus, which we can also provide job opportunities sa ating. This is an exciting part, and the PMMA, as we work on with our digitalization, so the education and training is unlimited, which itong ating partner ngayon ay they are looking at it as a good opportunity for increasing the sorry, 150 lang yan. But of course, the opportunity is open, and we have we have more partners ngayon kaysa noon. So, the requirement of the partners marami. So, we hope to provide them with the same quality that we are also providing even before.
Congratulations,
ganun
sir.
ang ginagawa na.
The signing of the memorandum of agreement for the strongest relationship. This is going to be between Carnival Cruise Line and the Philippine Maritime Academy. Marine Academy, sorry. For this is going to be the beginning of the good relationship, or in Filipino, ito na ang simula ng magandang samahan.
May we have the presence on stage of Ms. Bettina Dane, Cruise Line, Commodore JOEL ABUTAL for PMMA, and to witness, may we call on Secretary Jaime Bautista, Undersecretary Amber Sarmiento, and Mr. Joey Consuni. Santiago, Santa Clara Corner, Arzobispo Streets, Intramuros, Manila, involves Human Asset Development Partner, hereinafter referred to as HDO. Transportation from
Ang Health Insight 15-in-1 and Health Insight 16-in-1 Herbal Coffee Blend ang dalawa sa pinakabasarap at pinaka-maaasahang herbal coffee blend na kaagapay at minahal ng masa. Huwag nang magpahuli. Subukan at patunayan ang nakakabilib na epekto ng Amazing Health Insight 15-in-1 and Health Insight 16-in-1 Herbal